Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're starting a new topic, that is the motion. Uh, we are, into a new series of motion, and day by day, we're looking into every concept relating to this topic. So, what we'll do is right over here, and first of all, let's decode the word. Let's look into the definition, and then move forward. Uh, For this I am writing two definitions. One is the totally opposite and one is satisfaction, providing satisfaction with the topic. So I will take a break and save you a bit of your time and get back. So I'm back. We've got two definitions. One is this one and the second one is this one. Now in this, throughout all this, uh, okay, so okay, yes, we are ready. If we see the both definitions, sorry, the complete different is over here. All the definition is same. These words are different. Doesn't changes and changes. You can look, give it a look. Uh, the one involves doesn't and others involves does not. Uh, so let's understand what do the both say. Why in a body? So for suppose we have this is talking about a body. Take a body A. So when a body uh, doesn't change its position with respect to its environment, it is said to be in a state of motion. Now you should say, why don't you can simply say when a body moves its position, it is termed in state of motion. We are not doing that because we are involving with respect to environment. What does this line say? This has got a great importance, but before going into this concept, let's look into uh, you know state of motion. Now if you have taken lectures before, uh, or are you a science student, you have notified like I just did a trick that this is not motion. Motion is totally opposite. This is called as the rest. This is not motion. uh, Students may confuse. This is rest. No position change, no motion. This is rest. When do you take a rest? You are at your homes, uh, on your bed. So the same is with particles all around. When they are not moving, they are at their homes, in their positions, they are in a state of rest. When a body changes position with respect to its environment, again same thing, we written environment said to be state of motion. Here the body is in form of motion. Now uh, the one is saying this is over here, and the second one is saying it is moving over here, then here. It is just moving all around. So this is motion, and this is rest. uh, okay, we have got the basic concept, like, well, the one which is moving is in state of motion and the one which is not moving is in a state of rest, and we have looked into this topic in our previous classes as well. What's the difference? A difference is over here with respect to its environment. What does that mean? For this, let us consider uh, this is your school bus, or you can say your car. And okay, so this is your car, and a beautiful car. Over here we got windows, and here, and beautiful tires. Okay, so this is upcoming model of Tesla over here, and here here over here in the window, we have got A over here standing. This is A, and uh, you're watching, like, this is the way they're going to off their school. This is the way, uh, this is their school, and a beautiful school they're going. And uh, where are you in this? You are somewhere over here. You're somewhere over here, right? So you are over here. Okay, so yes, we are good to go. uh, Now, this is the case one. I'm just shifting to the next one. uh, this is one. Now we've got the case two. In this case, uh, you do see that uh, okay. I would not take it long. I'm just clearing the both concept in the single example, one and two. Now, in this, if you do see uh, here, if you do see, if you do see from here, like you over here, smart boy, you see that A is going to school with a car. So A is in the motion, but A inside the car. Okay, I'm not giving you the definitions. Do just clear the concept. If you are B and you are watching A going to school with the school, school bus or whatever vehicle. So according to you, A is in the form of motion, but according to A itself, the A is sitting inside the car. It is not in the form of motion. Thus, the tires are moving. It is not itself moving, and this is called as relative motion. According to A, it is not in form of motion, but according to you, A is form of motion. This is just relative motion, limited. Like if you say like you are sitting and somebody says you are in form of motion because the earth is moving, how is that possible? So that comes under the state of relative motion, otherwise it is not possible. um, Now let's take your example, and what will A say about you? A will say B is in the form of rest because he is not moving. But what if you are walking and you say that I am in state of motion? Here comes the relative motion. Like according to A, you are not moving because A is of uh, maybe A if you are walking fastly or you are visible walking. So A may say like you are walking and you are in state of motion. But let's just take an example of the car one and correlate it and just find out the difference. And if you have understand this concept, you're good to go. Otherwise, do watch the video again. Meet you guys in the next video for upcoming series of the motion chapter. Until that, goodbye.